What's up, everybody? Hopefully everybody doing well, doing okay. So again, I told you guys I'm gonna be doing the videos every week. Like I said, I'm here again with the new video again. Today's video, it's going to be an install video. So we're gonna be installing the front grill. We're gonna be installing front grill with the front lip as well too. So we're gonna be doing 2 installs today. So I already have the car jacked up. You can show them it's already as in the jack stand. So the car is already in the jack stand. So we're gonna be diving right now and jump on it and just get it started. Jump on it, get it started, and so this is the grill. We have the grill here. It's from American Modified. That is what it's called. It's JC grill style for for the Civic. Yeah, I get this guy from American Modified, like I said. And so we have the grill here, and they give you 2 different modes. Give you this mosh right here and this mosh right here. So probably I will be using this one just because it's a little bit thicker. It's a thicker side, so I'm gonna be using this one. And they give you this sides too that goes right here. So yeah, you have everything, and they give you some screws too. Yep, we got some screws in here. Alright guys, so first thing first, we're gonna be taking the bumper out. So we'll have to take all the bumper out, and yeah, then we'll go from there. Alright, so what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be removing all these tabs right here. Let me add some more lines for you guys so you can see. Here we go. So we're gonna be moving all these tabs. I like to use a flat screwdriver and just like put it right here and just boom, pop it out. All these goes from here all the way right here, right here, right here, right here. And yeah, so we're gonna be moving these things right here, and we have 2 screws back here as well. You can see we have to move these screws. If you can't fit screwdriver in here because of the tire, make sure turn the wheel other direction so you have more room to put your screwdriver too. So we're gonna be doing that, and we have another screws as well right here. And for my case, I need to remove my license plate as well with the Allen key. We got those Allen keys from there. Yeah, and we're gonna be taking some tabs from here down below as well. I will show you that when we get there. And that's it, and the bumper should be out after that. All right, let's get to it. The tabs you have in the bottom of the bumper, so you have these tabs. Again, use your flat screwdriver, and we have some Allen screws right here. So you will follow this line under the bumper and make sure follow every each tab and screw, and that's it guys. Literally I use these 3 tools: Allen key, I use the flat head screwdriver, and Phillips screwdriver. So I already removed all the screws from the lip ender. There you go. You can see had all the screws lined up in here. So yeah, this is the front lip. It's out. Let's put it at this. Put it right there. Then come here. and then we'll be taking the bumper out. So you pull it from this side here, and you pull from this side as well. That's it. And then you grab your flat screwdriver and you play this out. Just like that. And here, play this back. That's it. Now, boom. And get your Phillips screwdriver, and this hole right here, there is a tabs in there that you have to press, and there is another one right here that you gotta press. Show them. So this tab right here, you can like you push it down, and there is another tabs right here you have with the screwdriver, or use something with the plastic so you won't scratch your bumper, and just push these tabs up. Then the bumper, it should be released. After that, then, oh yeah, I forgot. So, and after that, for me, I need to remove this guy right here. So here you go, guys. The bumper, it's out, how you guys can see. Then you come back here. We have a couple screws, one here, and more here. They are Phillips. So basically you're gonna be removing these screws. Then we have some tabs right here, one here and one here. Some of them are above here. So yeah, so just be careful, take your time, remove all these screws and these tabs, and the front grille, it should be out after that. So in order to install the JC grille style in your bumper, you have to cut this piece right here. So you know, because what they call it, the grille, the JC style one, can take those a little bit inside, so this thing will be in the way. So we have to be cutting this thing out from here. So you cut this thing from here and from here, then reverse order. After that, you just put the grill the way how you remove the first one. All right, I'm gonna be doing that, and I'm gonna be using just a knife or a box cutter for it. That's what I'm gonna be using. That's what I have on me right now, and I think it should be fine. So how you guys can see, I said I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna be using this guy right here, this mosh, for my grill. So literally what you're gonna be doing, you're gonna put in screws right here. I'm gonna give you example how to do it. So they will give you small screws like this. You grab your screws, line it up nicely. Then you just you tighten your screws in here, just like that. So after we put the motion in here with the screws and everything, so now we can go ahead and put it on. Bam. Yeah, but how you guys can see, I already cut that little piece was in here. I just use a box cutter. You can use any little sharp knife. It should be easy to cut it. So yeah, we're just gonna do reverse order. Just put it back on like that, and we should be good to go. There you go, guys. Already put my screws and everything. I will be removing the saran wrap after I put everything back on, just because I don't want to scratch it. So what I'm gonna do now, install the front lip, the EBS dynamic front lip type par style. That's what I got. I'm gonna be showing you guys. It's right here in the box. But yeah, so make sure all your screws are tight nicely. You guys can see all are in there. So there you go. All right, let's get to it.